Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to connect Printify to Shopify. So let's dive right in. If you don't already have a Printify account, head over to the Printify website at printify.com and click the Start Free button. You'll be guided through a quick sign-up process where you can enter your email address and create a password. Once you've completed the sign-up, you'll be ready to connect your Shopify store and start creating on-demand products. Now that you're logged into your Printify account, locate the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the dashboard. Click on the menu and select Manage My Stores. From the Manage My Stores menu, you'll see a section for integrations. Click the Connect button and choose Shopify from the list of available platforms. In the Provided field, carefully paste your Shopify store URL. It should follow a specific format. Make sure you copy the entire URL accurately to avoid any connection errors. Click the Install App button to grant Printify the necessary permissions to access your Shopify store. This will allow Printify to integrate seamlessly with your store's functionalities, enabling you to add, edit, and manage your on-demand products directly within your Shopify dashboard. And there you have it. Your Printify and Shopify stores are now connected. You can now start adding products to your Shopify store using Printify's vast catalog. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for tutorials. Thanks for watching.